Hi mga kabahay, I'm Agent J. I'm a real estate salesperson from MFR Real Estate Corporation and in-house lead broker of Philinvest Land. And for today's vlog, I'm in Philinvest Homes Cainta along Marcos Highway dahil may mga reopen units kami dito na nag-open ulit. And it's a Philinvest Land inventory. So tara, samahan nyo ako, puntahan natin yung mga units na yan. So yun, welcome back mga kabahay. Our first stop is area at Saramonte Mansions. So yung available dito is 2 house and lot package, isang under construction and isa naman is pre-selling unit. So tara, puntahan natin. Po yung pinaka main entrance natin. Yan po yung marker. And ito na po ang area at Saramonte. So sa ngayon, yung mga house and lot is almost fully completed na. And may mga nakatira na din po dito. So tara, puntahan natin yung nagre-open. So yung nagre-open is located in Block 2 Lot 1. So malapit lamang siya sa main entrance ng area. And it's a corner lot. So ito po siya. So yan yung nagre-open na units. Ang lot area niyan is around 157 square meter. And under construction siya sa ngayon. And our third stop mga kabahay is located in Alto at Phil East. Located inside Philinvest Homes Cainta along Marcos Highway. So yung Alto po, ito pong nasa likod ko. So kung mapapansin nyo agad, it's an elevated po yung area. So tara, puntahan natin yung unit na nagre-open. Yung mga kabahay, puntahan na natin yung re-open unit here in Alto at Phil East. So bagong lahat dun po tayo galing sa may main entrance, yung marker na blue. And then ito pong Alto at Phil East sa ngayon. So yan ang King's Landing wherein dyan meron gym, bakery, cafe, barbershop, and an indoor basketball court. Tara, puntahan natin yung available sa Block 2 Lot 11. So yung nag-reopen, because it's only a reopen unit, under construction siya sa ngayon. So yan mga kabahay. So yan ang reopen unit here in Alto at Phil East, located in Block 2 Lot 11. So Brahms model duplex. Floor area is around 93 square meter. And yung lot area po niyan is around 131 square meter. Bigyan ko na rin kayo ng konting update about Alto at Phil East. Sa ngayon, marami ng under construction na house. So yan, today is Saturday and yun, marami pa din gumagawa. So yun guys, ang Alto at Phil East update for January 2024. And our third stop mga kabahay is located in Tropics 3 inside Philinvest Homes Cainta along Marcos Highway. So yung layo ng Tropics 3 from the main gate ng Philinvest East Cainta is around 3.7 kilometers. So yung available po is this house. So yung house na to is a Brahms model duplex. Floor area is 93 square meter and yung lot area naman po is 142 square meter. And our last stop mga kabahay is Tropics 4 located in Eastville. So tara, puntahan natin. And finally mga kabahay, I am in Tropics 4, our last stop. So dito sa Tropics 4, ang available po is an RFO unit na single attached house. So tara, puntahan natin. Kabahay, nasa likod ko na yung available na reopen unit here in Tropics 4. So yung model is named Tulip model, single attached, and yung floor area po is around 83 square meter and yung lot area naman po is nasa 138 square meter. So yun mga kabahay, naipakita ko na yung mga reopen units here in Philinvest Homes Cainta along Marcos Highway. So yung mga units are located in area Alto at Phil East, Tropics 3, and Tropics 4. And yung mga units, may mga RFO and pre-selling units kami na available. So if you're looking for a house and lot package here in Philinvest Homes Cainta, so tamang-tama. So again, I'm Agent J. you can contact me on my CP number at 0929-705-6363. Thank you and hope to see you